In faithful answer to a viewer question, I provide this catalog scroll of translated ancient Sumerian tablets from the Library of Ashurbanipal that have been assembled into Oxford University's ETCSL. For motivation on why you should be aware of this, I offer the text of Daniel 1:4 and the words of Apollo 15 Ancient Astronaut Theorist, Col WordEN.
Why we should invest so heavily in that?
Survival. Survival of the species.
Do you think
No
eventually,
question about it.
And do you think there's extraterrestrials out there, Al, as well?
What?
Do you think there's
You know,
aliens?
I've been asked that question hundreds of times. Do you believe in aliens? And I say, yeah. Have you ever seen one? I say, yeah, I have. Well, how have you seen them? Well, I said, I look in the mirror every morning. Because that's what we are. We are the aliens, but we just
think we're the thing.
We just think they're somebody else, but we're the ones who came from somewhere else. Because somebody else had to survive, and they got in a little spacecraft, and they came here, and they landed, and they started civilization here. That's what I believe. And if you don't believe me, go get books on the ancient Sumerians and see what they had to say.
That's a whole different discussion now.
They'll tell you right up front.
You've just blown that right open.
Yeah.
Sadly, we can't get into that.
Is that right? In the relatively free nation of Great Britain that has fairly preserved the kingship, why is it exactly that we cannot get into the evidence provided by ancient Sumerian writings?
It's like we're floating on the dark side of the moon.